Now sadly, the camera doesn't do this justice, because these flowers are actually a beautiful purple colour. Yeah, you can't quite see how deep the purple is. You're going to just have to come out in the forest. Anyway, these are the flowers of Dianella, one of the various many species. There's a lot of them. There's about 50 different varieties of Dianella. Now these are actually edible, and what I tend to do is just grab the tip ones, because I want to leave the rest of them to go to flower and go to seed, right? Now, when the seeds are, when the berries, are green, they taste like green peas, and you can use them exactly the same way. They're basically identical. Once they ripen, they become a beautiful deep purple colour, and hence why I called them purple berries the first time I found them. Or pop rock berries, because the seeds are so crunchy, they almost pop in your mouth. The flowering stalk, before it comes up, is basically an asparagus, and it's a stunning vegetable to have. The outside leaf can be used as something like a snake whistle, and you can see a video of Clarence Slocky from Gardening Australia doing something similar to that. The roots are also able to be chewed and eaten, and the young leaf bases also eaten. These will regrow really well from root cuttings, and again, as all things, they are growing as an ecosystem. Note that they're growing next to the native sarsaparilla. Note that they're growing underneath eucalyptus. Note that they're growing next to lomandra. You see, it's an ecosystem. It's a big family of plants. Yeah, one tribe does not exist on its own. It has to make trade with other tribes. You see that? So Dianella tribe is making trade with sarsaparilla tribe and lomandra tribe and fern tribe, right? They're all exchanging energy under the ground. Very important stuff to be aware of. Now you can also make an exquisite blue dye from the purple berries that come off of these. They're stunning. You can also dry them out and make them into the most amazing sultanas you've ever had in your life. Anyway, there you go. You can see it's in this huge patch too. Sorry about my shoddy camera work, but you see all this little bits and bobs? They're all over the place. Dianella. Now I must make one note. Dianella tasmanica produces very large berries, but they're very foamy. I've tried to eat them, but every time I try to, I spit them out because it just does not taste nice. I think they're an external topical treatment. So avoid eating Dianella tasmanica unless you get someone else telling you otherwise, unless you have some expert or elder or someone who's very, very knowledgeable about the topic. Anyway, take care of yourselves.